Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on Oukitel C33. So you have to start with opening your own Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. And now you can click install. And now you can click open. Here you can click skip introduction, and here you can customize your home page, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And here you can make your Microsoft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now it asks you if you want to see notifications from this app. You can click no thanks. And now if you want to import your browsing data from Google, and you can also click no thanks. So that is for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.